To add TSA Precheck to your Expedia, start by visiting the official Expedia website and logging into your profile or registering if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll see various options on the screen, including a language changer, list, property, sport, trips, and your profile with a search bar in the middle. To add TSA Precheck, go to the upcoming trips section where you can input your travel information. Find the field to enter your known traveler number KTN and accurately input the number, double checking for any errors. After saving your changes, your KTN will be included on your booking pass, allowing you to expedite your airport security process. Adding a TSA Precheck to your Expedia registration is a great way to speed up your security experience at airports. By following these steps, you can ensure a smoother travel experience.